Next. She wants to be in the hot seat. Okay, I'll give you a hot seat.
Would you rather drink a green smoothie or eat the same ingredients as a whole meal?
Oh, give me the whole meal.
Yeah?
Give me the whole meal because I'm not really, I want to be able to enjoy the meal, chew it, just
So you would
fill me
eat,
up a little bit more.
so you have a smoothie with leafy greens, kale, mustard
Yeah.
greens, a banana,
Yeah.
pineapple. You'd
Yeah.
rather just eat those things than just throw it in there and
I
drink it?
would more than be willing to eat that. I would enjoy it more than a smoothie.
Well,
I
that-
love smoothies, but it's not about convenience for me. I want to enjoy that meal. Like I can feel it quite right away. Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather a big raw salad or small cooked vegetables type of meal? Vegetable based meal.
I like my vegetable based milk. It'd be more warm and I can have more of a season on it, some salt, pepper, and whatever it may be. Spice it up. Yeah.
Okay. A little hot sauce.
But I still will have salad at almost every meal I have once a
Okay.
day. So
Would you rather have fresh juice or eat whole fruit?
as long as it's not apples, I will go the whole fruit. Yeah, because especially like plums or mangoes when they're in season. Anything in season was really, really
There's
good
the fiber in there.
in
yeah.
there. I mean, it's sweet and the taste buds are good. Yeah, so give me that all day long for sure.
Would you rather eat slowly with no distractions or multitask while eating healthy food?
Yeah, wait, eat slowly with no distractions or healthy food.
So would you rather eat slowly, right? Semi-healthy food, or would you rather eat multitasking, something super healthy?
Oh, yeah, no. I'll multitask, talking, working, eating super healthy versus slowly something that's not as healthy. Yeah, no, I want the healthiest stuff
The healthiest stuff.
for sure.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh,
These
no.
are easy, right?
Yeah. So far,
Would you rather eat the same simple meals most days or constantly rotate your healthy recipes?
Oh, so like predictability versus kind of rotation.
Yeah, so
So small healthy meals.
same healthy meal, simple healthy meal. So
Versus-
rice and beans every day, right?
Okay.
Or would you rotate it and mix it up and have different healthy meals?
That's a
every
trick
day?
question because you're trying to say like, well, I want to be by your side consistently versus anything else.
That is not answering the question. Answer the question.
So I almost want to feel say consistently, but I want to rotate my meals so I can have variety.
Would you choose one?
I'll go consistent because I know it's consistently good and we can always enhance it. And so it might change over time, the different consistent meals, but I'll go consistent meals.
Okay. Okay.